Page types. Page types are templated options to provide a springboard for your build-out. All of these page types have a quick, out-of-the-box approach. Alternatively, they can all be altered greatly by overriding styles. These pages can be rearranged with a drag-and-drop interface and turned on or off with a simple toggle. All pages can be limited by grouping if desired. Please see the tutorial for grouping for further instruction. Login page. To manipulate the login page, you have several options: changing colors, wording, background, and the size and position of the logo. The tech support pop-out default message includes a link to the email you entered upon event creation. Again, you can change this email by going to the General tab and editing the tech support area. You can add custom messages here with simple text or CSS to style your text. At the bottom, we have login fields. These add to the default email entry on the login screen. This feature is useful if you do not have a registration page but want to collect info. You may notice these are blank if you are starting with this page. Please see the registration tutorial to add fields. They will populate here once added. Registration. Generate a custom registration page for your event. Even add conditional areas. For example, adding the question, "Are you attending the event in person or virtual?" will signal the next set of questions based on the answer, and with grouping added, the virtual audience will see the live stream of the general session, where the in-person attendees will only see the event app side, schedule, maps of the venue, etc. All entries generate a column in the database for reporting. This is a registration example with first name, last name, company name, and email address. Default unless toggled off email for login. Are you attending in person or virtually? If placed into Group 1, in person, this question will show up. What shirt size, large, medium, or small with the verbiage? Go to the Reg Desk to pick up your event shirt. If placed into Group 2, virtual, this question will show up. What shirt size, large, medium, or small with the verbiage? Please enter your shipping address to receive your event shirt. Registration options after submission. Once you have completed your registration page, you will also need to choose what happens after an attendee hits the Submit button. The 3 types of actions are: 1. Redirect to the login screen, 2. Automatically sign into the portal, 3. Display a customizable confirmation page. These options can be changed leading up to the event, which is a nice feature. If you are sending out a pre-show registration, you'd redirect to a registration confirmation page. But on show day, you may want the attendees to get in as quick as possible, so you'd change to redirect to auto-login. Registration confirmation page. A registration confirmation page is a pop-out that shows after an attendee registers. This is great if you are sending out a pre-registration, as it provides next steps for the attendee. For example, you can upload a calendar invite and ask the attendee to add it to their calendar. To enable, go to the register page, then submit action, then choose the redirect to confirmation page option. Page settings allows for changing the name and the path, while the page properties area allows for customizing the text, imagery, etc. on the pop-out page to suit your needs. Custom HTML and CSS page, example, home. The home template provides the ability to create your own page in any way you see fit through HTML and CSS. Think blinking cursor. This page will come with some springboard HTML and CSS. To fully customize, simply delete the pre-populated code if you wish or alter the code to fit your event. Streaming page, i.e. main stage. The main stage template is a pre-populated page with the ability to have up to 2 iframes, one for streaming and one for chat or other interactivity. The settings area allows for changing the button name and path, while the properties area allows for alteration of how many iframes you would like on screen. Simply type in the iframe URL to show on screen. Please note, this is not the full embed code. This cell is looking for the URL inside the embed code. You will notice that this area is typically highlighted in the code as a link. The main stage backup, which can be found in the Tech Support tab, allows you to have a secondary main stage with an alternative CDN sending the same stream through different servers. Speakers page. The speakers page is a template with the ability to quickly populate items per speaker or presenter. Options include name, photo, title, or company details, social links, and other vital information. Agenda page. The agenda page generates a template look per schedule item. Each has its own entry areas and can be linked to the page where it will be seen live during the show. Multiple day events have tabs that separate out by days. Tabs and items can be toggled on and off during the event, providing flexibility if you choose to make changes to the agenda throughout your event. Options include name, description, group, speakers, start and end time, internal and external links, hybrid location, and calendar invite. Breakout Rooms page. The Breakout Room page provides the ability to have multiple streaming rooms all in one organized directory. Each of these can be compared to smaller main stages. Feel free to reorder the directory with the Adjust View Order, drag and drop feature. VOD page. The VOD, or Video on Demand page, is a template to house video content. For example, allow attendees to watch something they may have missed from the previous day. The VOD page has a search option which searches all words, letters, and numbers entered into the description field. Adding the presentation name or other SEO-style text allows for users to search based on a search word. Alphabetical page, i.e. vendors. The alphabetical page is used to add a vendors list or something similar that is grouped alphabetically and can be clicked on based on the first letter of the item. This page has a search option which searches all words, letters, and numbers entered into the name field. Tech support. Attendees may need to reach out to you for assistance via email. Add an email here. This entry is editable anytime after your event creation. You can also copy and blind copy additional email addresses as well. Set your email subject line to allow for easy searching of emails during and after your event.